our topic is organizational typology. Typology means Vargikarana. In Telugu we used to say. In English, Vargikarana means division of work. Classifies firms according to their strategy, providing a more systematic analysis of the relationship between the strategy and executive compensation. See, different strategies are implemented to complete the task of work. Okay. The ways of effective coordination. First one is standardization of work process. First of all, we have to be standardize our work. Then only which time is going to be complete. What is the tasks are to be allotted for the employees. First of all, we have to be known exactly. Second point is standardization of output. Output is nothing but 10,000 tons, 20,000 tons. We have to be do the manufacturing in a correct process. Then only how many employees are required, how many labor we are required. These kind of information we can be known better. That is called it as standardization of output. Standardization of skills. Skills means everybody has it according to the qualification, experience, different types of skills are there. So according to that skills, we have to be done. Because standardization is nothing but we have to be fixed. What for this particular job we require this much of skill. For this type of job we require this much of output, like that. Mutual adjustments. Definitely, if the task of the work should be complete, the adjustment should be done. 5 basic parts of organization. Next point. Job specialization, behavior formation, training in doctrine, unit size, planning and control. First point is job specialization. Job specialization means everybody has its own specialization. Say for example, doctor. Doctor, one ortho is there, cardiologist is there, gynec is there. Like that, according to their job specialization, we have to be assign their task of work. Next one is behavior formation. Behavior formation is nothing but according to the information, according to the behavior of the work spaces, the behavior should be there. Training. According to the training and indoctrination, because according to our work psychology method, we have to train the employees. Unit size. See, some units are very small. Some units are very big. And some units are medium size. According to the size of the organization, we have to be divide that work. See, that's the reason organization and typology means we are dividing the work. That's it. Planning and control. If there is any problem, we have to be controlled. If there is a very good, we have to do in a systematic manner, the planning should be done. Next one is organization and typology. First point is simple structure. Simple means direct supervision, entrepreneur. See, direct entrepreneur means single man business show. So he will do the all supervision in a direct manner. Mission bureaucracy. Mission bureaucracy means standardization of work process, massive production. Mission means, see, 1,000 biscuits I want to be manufactured. 1,000 teddy bears I want to be manufactured. 1,000 keyboards I have to be manufactured. That is a massive production. So according to the mission bureaucracy, we are manufacturing the product. Next one is professional bureaucracy. Professional bureaucracy means standardization skills. Professional bureaucracy means standardizing skills. Skills we have to be standardized because according to the qualification, experience, I require this particular type of task of work, people we require. These kind of standardization skills. If one movie also, if you want to be designed, that cartoons I require this much of skill I require. These kind of things, it's a professional bureaucracy. Social work agencies, accounting firm, complex and stable. See, whatever the problems are there, we have to be look after that. Divisional form. Next one is division. Division means work is dividing. That's the reason I am mentioning dividing the work. Diversity, large scale government. Government has the different division of work. See, milk department is different, finance, HR, different departments. Next one is adhocracy. Adhocracy means support the staff, mutual adjustment, consulting firms, advertising agencies. See, we are supporting to this staff. This staff is going to be support this staff. So according to the agency support, we are doing that particular task of work. Say example, road contracts. Road contracts are going to be given to the contractors. Government, under the government only different contractors are going to be done. See, different specializations, organizational typologies we are dividing. So mission bureaucracy, mission, under this we are dividing the work. Direct means there is a no subdivisions. Here professional bureaucracy means social worker agency. This is the overall concept of organizational typology. Thank you.